Hi everyone, today I'd just like to introduce our range of Perishield fire door hinges that we've developed. Two styles, one has a spun pin, one has a button tipped pin, 120 minute fire doors suitable for fully CERTIFIRE, fire rated, at price points that have yet to be achievable within the market. Also enabling fully compliant product to meet all regulations at a price point that is perfect for the customer and all end users. The button tipped hinges come with screws in attractive retail packaging, and the price competitive spun pin come in branded boxes without screws, all packaged with all certification, individually labelled, so the customer can pick up and go straight away. The opportunity to fit fully CERTIFIRE fire door products at a price where the differential is minimal from a non-certified is now available from Perishield. The full range of products and locks as well, and intermittent pads can be seen on www.perishield.co.uk.